Hi lovelies, how you all doing? Welcome back to Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare this yummy finger biting Ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is also known as African mango, bush mango or white mango, anyone you call it. So here are the ingredients for preparing the Ogbono soup. Here I have the Ogbono. I have grounded with the Okpei. The Okpei is called castor seed in English. Okay, so I have blended the Okpei with the Ogbono. So this is how the Okpei looks like. Okay, so other things I have here is my chopped onion. I'll be using chopped onion for it. I have stockfish, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using just 2. The pepper is very hot. Chili peppers, Knorr cube for seasoning, salt, red oil, meat. I'm using goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice. And spinach. You can use pumpkin leaf or any leaf of your choice, even uziza leaf. Okay, so I have dry fish here. So in a clean pot, I'll be adding the goat meat. I have washed it properly with clean water and salt. I will be adding stockfish. I've washed the stockfish also with water and salt. I will now add salt, 2 Knorr cubes for seasoning. The Knorr is very strong. I have to use 2 hands, sorry. The Knorr is very strong. I'll be adding chili peppers, the chopped onion. I will now cover to cook for 10 minutes before adding water. As you can see, the meat has brought out water on its own. I didn't add water to it before, but I'll be adding water now, enough to cook the meat. I will stir well and cover till the meat is 80% cooked. Over here, I'll be cutting my spinach. Like I said, you can use pumpkin leaf in cooking the ogbono or uziza, any of your preference. So here our meat has been cooking, so I'll be adding the dry fish. I have washed it too with hot water and salt and deboned it. I'll be adding it and cover to cook. You know, ogbono doesn't take time to cook. Once your meat and stockfish are ready, your soup is almost ready too. If you are lucky your meat and stockfish are tender enough to cook fast, then your ogbono soup will take longer to cook. But if your meat are those stubborn ones that you have to cook for centuries before it gets done, that means your ogbono soup will take longer. Okay, our meat and stockfish are now 80% done. I will now scoop it out to start cooking our soup proper. So in a pot, I've added red oil and ogbono. I'm now stirring to dissolve all the ogbono. Okay, so this process makes the ogbono to dissolve well and not to have any lumps. It's all well dissolved now, and I'm adding all the orishirishi, the meat, stockfish, dry fish, everything. I will now stir well to combine. Stir. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I welcome you into my channel. Have your own warm hug. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share to your friends and family. If this is your first time of seeing my video coming across my channel, please click on the subscription button. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. And then click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you, my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. I love you all. So I've added water enough to cook the soup. If you want your soup to be thick enough, you just add a little water. If you want it to be lightly thick, you add more water. It all depends on your preference. So I'll be covering it, but I will not cover it too tight. You know, when cooking your ogbono soup, you don't have to cover the pot too tight, because if you cover it too tight, it will reduce the power of the ogbono from drawing very well. They will impeach it and the ogbono will not draw well again. So you have to open it lightly so that it can breathe and be able to draw well. Okay, so it has been cooking for 10 minutes. I just open it to stir the soup very well, and I'll be adding the ingredients at this point. Already I've added the blended pepper, I've added crayfish, just 1 Knorr cube for seasoning, and I added onion. Please, the onion is optional. You can skip this part. I like the taste and the aroma it gives in my soup. Okay, so you can skip not adding the onion. So I have to stir very well now and cover to cook for another 20 minutes before adding the spinach. And this is 20 minutes. I will stir very well. Our soup is almost getting ready. Please guys, you can follow me on all of my other social media platforms. On Facebook is Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Instagram, Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. TikTok, the same thing, Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Okay, now I have to check if there is salt. And of course, there is salt to it. If you notice, I didn't add salt. It was only the one I used in steaming the meat. I don't know if you have noticed that as the day goes by, your ogbono soup or okra will be tasting as if you added more salt to it. I don't know why it always happens like that. So that's why I'm always cautious in adding salt whenever I'm cooking ogbono or okra soup. So I just added the spinach and I'm stirring well to combine. I will now cover the pot for the spinach to cook for just 2 minutes, and I will turn off the stove. And this is 2 minutes. Our ogbono soup is all ready. The aroma is so nose blinding and it tastes so heavenly. I hope you guys will try out this recipe and come back later to thank me. It's very quick and easy to cook, as you just see. Thank you for watching guys. I love you guys and bye.